I'm still about I have a spaghetti toilet, a golden spaghetti toilet. What gives you 75 million a second? And I have an e-sock. What gives you 127.5 million? So anyone, if you have a money buggy with at least one trade, would you do that for my e-sock? And would you, and if you like have a tang, would you do a spaghetti toilet for my tang? Or a Mediterra bicicletera with at least a trade, one trade, no, like two trades. So yeah guys, please love it all. So if you have money buggy at least one trade, would you guys do that for my e-sock? Would you guys do that for my e-sock? A money buggy with at least one trade, guys, please help me out. And my username is right here. Please guys help me out. A tang, what equal a tang, doesn't need to have mutations, it's fine. And a money buggy, if you guys want to give me like something like a kit part, yeah, we can do it. Oh, you can my if you want to do a lost bros, it needs to one trade, would you do that please? So a lost bros, wait, would it be a lost bros, a lost premiums, and money pocket? Oh my, one of those 4 months. What is this? E-sock. Please guys. Oh, a tang in a spaghetti toilet, and a tang. Oh, a kettle packet, but it's not to be nice. You can get to me. So yeah. Oh, a tic-tac sour. So guys, please. My username is right here. So good.